let's talk about the Menendez brothers. What's happening with that? Erik has made headlines. He's been ill, dealing with some kidney stones issues. So can you give us an update on what's going on with his health and what's going on with the next hearing?
Well, he's better. We've talk about an embarrassment of riches. We have the parole hearing, which is literally 3 weeks from today. We have what's called a habeas corpus, where the judge, even in spite of Nathan Hochman doing his dog and pony show back in February in response to an informal request for a reply, threw everything up against the wall. Then and in May on the resentencing, lost spectacularly in the resentencing. And now the judge has once again said, no, I want a formal reply, which means that we have made what's called a prima facie case. We have said they should be out. This is new evidence. So we have that, and we always have, speaking of pardons, we've got Governor Newsom, who was on a podcast with Ryan Murphy of the Monsters TV show, or whatever his show was, right, saying that he had looked at it in several different ways and was very honest about the fact that after 35 years with the kind of work that they've done, that they should be out. And he understands it. Ryan Murphy, who went into that, and I was critical of the portrayal, especially of Lyle, also has come around and said that they should be out. I mean, if you're going to be fair about this, if you're going to look at what is just, and if you're going to look at the law, they should be out.
Last question. Do you think that Erik and his health condition will have anything to do with the decisions that's coming?
I hope that he's well enough and doesn't have a relapse prior to the 21st. I will point out that I don't remember the date, but you were one of the first people to actually talk to Lyle from jail or from prison, and that was before a lot of this hullabaloo. So hat tip to you for getting that done.
Well, thank you very much. That was a conversation we had together on stage at CrimeCon, and it was a surprise, but we'll wait to hear those voices. And when we do, we know that you're going to bring them to us here on NewsNation. Mark Geragos, thank you so much. Always great to see you.
Always great to see you too, Laura.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.